Please share your oral feedback. So starting with Rajendra ji. Hello.
Good evening to all.
Unmute this, unmute, and also you on your camera video, and then introduce and then share your view. Yes.
Good evening to all. Myself, Rajendra Prajapati from MB Patel Science College, Anand. Since long, I know about this kind of workshop regularly held by Gopal Jee sir. But we meet personally one occasion, and he forcefully to join me. He forcefully told me to join this one. So this time in sixth batch, I joined one, but I realized that for microbiologists in this current era, it is more important to know about the genomics and proteomics. And we are facing the problem when we see the paper of NET, SLATE and open exams. So this field is life sciences. So it is not limited or restricted to only microorganism or biology, botany or zoology. Half of the paper is come from this molecular level. So this seminar in this seminar we found that every person who is connected in life science field, botany, zoology, microbiology, or biochemistry, he or she should have the complete idea about genomics and proteomics too, to compete out such exam and to become a good teacher even. So whatever things I got, half of the things I come to know first time in this one. As a microbiologist, many things are new from genetic point of view and proteomics point of view. So I congratulate Gopal sir for conducting such this online workshop, and this is immense requirement for students and teachers who recently joined or who are not aware with this kind of expertise, information, no, what say we can say, this kind of important information still we have required. So thank you, Gopalji sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Honest feedback is required for improvement. Yes. And sometimes energy is also required. So I request other participants, please come forward. You should share your feedback. Hello. Yes, sir.
Good evening, Naresh sir. Good evening, Naresh sir. And Gopal sir, good evening, all of you. Amit sir, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
So, yeah, Naresh sir, kaise ho? Good evening.
Oh, nice. How are you?
Yeah, I am fine, sir.
Where are you?
Sir, right now I am working as assistant professor in 7-day Arts and Science College. And my Viva will be there on 31st March. I will going to call you.
Okay, okay.
Please share your feedback.
Yeah, sir. So
Yes.
all the lectures were very good. Jha sir lecture was very good, and Ashwani sir lecture was good in the proteomics and genomics, and of course Gopal sir lectures were very nice, and interaction with all the three guest lectures were very innovative. And one thing I want to discuss with you, that those students who want to crack the CSR NET examination and GATE examination, so I think Gopal sir make. And even
Yes,
I also don't know something about the proteomics, so I also learned so many things from this workshop. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Anand ji. Other participants. मुकेश जी, आपका अनम्यूट करके कुछ बोलना चाह रहे थे. Yes.
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Hello.
Yes.
Actually, I'm fortunate to see Dave sir, because I follow Dave sir since my studenthood. Okay, and his many of the research work I have been following since last 20 years. I am also working in microbiology and doing research in the secondary metabolite of microorganisms. As far as workshop is concerned, though as a teacher from last 15-20 years, but the insight which we got from this workshop, like very minute thing, and the critical analysis of one concept, and then after understanding the concept, how as a researcher you look out that particular concept and analyze it. That is a great part of this particular lecture workshop. One thing which I want to add on is, as I am a big fan of JNUites, as Gopal sir is from JNU itself, so I have many friends in JNU and teachers in JNU. Sir might be knowing R.K. Kale sir, Dr. R.K. Kale. And
Yes.
I'm say you can say I'm a, student of him indirectly. So not only about the workshop, I wanted to add on is that if more of students, they will get benefit out of this as well as teachers. So I request Gopal ji, if you can conduct some workshop on CSIR net, that would be more beneficial to teachers also as well as students also. Though at this age we do not require CSIR net clearance, but as a teacher, as a guide, we need to convey many things to the student. And from this your workshop, we got very great insights about the subject, maybe proteins, maybe nucleic acid. So I'm thankful that you have organized this, and I wish to continue with many such workshop in future also. Thank you very much.
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर फॉर, आपने तो कभी कैमरा ऑन ही नहीं किया इस 15 दिन में, पहली बार कैमरा ऑन करके बोला एंड यू हैव इंट्रोड्यूस्ड, बिकॉज जनरली आई डोंट नो ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट्स, सो इट्स गुड दैट you have conveyed, and your sentence also gives me energy. So obviously I will try to conduct CSIR related thing. GSBTM provides us some fund for this BSc level competitive exam to take in MSc. I'm not a PG, you can say they don't give us center for PG level, but obviously we take lecture at different institution for this preparation, net preparation, CSR preparation. Thank you. So keep in touch. We will try to organize this type of workshop also, sir.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Other participants? Yes, madam.
Yeah, good afternoon. Good evening, sirs. Gopal Ji sir, you are a huge inspiration, and I actually enjoyed very much because proteomics and genomics in depth is so complicated, and it is also so interesting. Now only I came to know. Earlier also I had registered, but I did not find the time. And this time I was, even though I was also busy, even while driving also, but I will listen to your classes. So interesting. And the keenness with which you used to teach us each and every point, in depth, asking after every one single point that sir will tell, he will ask, what is the, do you have doubt? Did you understand? Did you get it? Is it clear? So it used to keep us on our toes, and wonderful, sir. After a long time, I'm hearing such a nice talk. And then another thing that I would like to just suggest is on basis of herbal drugs, if we can take any one class on that, it would be very nice, because proteomics, genomics in herbals also, it is rising a lot, but people are not much aware of it, so they mainly avoid such studies. So उस पर भी अगर हम एक touch करें, like how research is going in that direction, wherein you can come to know, yes sir, on hybrid varieties, or how to know that how the diseases are caused, or how the biogenetic pathways take place. ऐसा सब अगर पता चल रहा है तो it will be very nice, no? So उसके ऊपर मेरा एक suggestion है, if we can take a class on that.
Yes, madam. Yes. I'm trying to include more and more topic, madam, with my limitations. But madam, you have not introduced.
Sir, okay, yes. I am Dr. Sapna Shri Kumar. I am Dean of Nehru College of Pharmacy, and I'm having 28 years of experience. I'm working in herbals only, mainly, and I've got a lot of paper regarding that, but proteomic and genome is something which whenever I read, I will not understand anything. So this is the first time that I have understood everything, and when you were saying mostly I've written the notes also because they are so interesting. I don't want to leave any point. So thank you so much, sir. It is what we have given you is a very small amount.
Thank you, madam.
Thinking of
Thank
the
you.
contribution
So
that
keep,
we have
keep,
received.
yes,
Yes,
keep blessing and keep suggesting.
yes,
And
sir.
in science, collaboration, cooperation is required for
Yes,
betterment of science, for betterment of nation. We all complement each other, help each other, then science will grow. Yes, madam.
yes, sir.
Thank you,
Yes,
madam.
sir. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. And sir, we should
Thank
keep
you.
in touch more, have some collaborations. So I will be talking to you more
Yes,
upon it. Taking it, and I'll invite you to my monitors. Let my students also get the
yes,
benefit. Thank you so much,
yes,
sir.
madam. Thank you, madam. Any other participant wish to share his or her feedback? Yes,
Yes.
Shreya. Yes.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I want to thank Gopal sir for
Can you
holding this
on your
course.
camera if it is
One
working?
second, sir. Sir, first of all, I would like to thank you for holding this course. It was very informative, very comprehensive, and all these things. First of all, I want to like to introduce that I'm studying my MSc Microbiology in Department of Microbiology, MSc Baroda itself. But these things are in our course also. But I wanted to get a comprehensive idea of all such things, genomics and proteomics, because as sir said, Rajendra sir said that it's very important. Like even though I'm from a microbiology background, it is very important to understand the molecular aspects of the course as well, or the science as well. So the course is very good, and your method of teaching is very nice because you used to ask questions to us, and you used to just help build a research mindset. Like, what should we do regarding this? What experiment should be performed? It was not just like a one-way session. It was very interactive with us and used to force us to think like what should you do next, like what could be the next problem. So that aspect of the course I find very interesting. So sir, once again, thank you for holding this session, and I would like to just thank everyone else also, all the different resource persons that came and gave their precious time for us. So thank you, sir.
Thank you, Shreya. Thank you very much.
Sir, can I speak, sir? For a while?
Yes, Triveni, yes.
Sir, it's a wonderful
कैमरा
session.
ऑन कर लो, कैमरा अगर ऑन हो पाए तो कर लीजिए.
Sir, मैं बाहर हूँ, sir, but I just want to put some input, sir.
Okay,
Sir, this was a fantastic session. We want teachers like you, sir. So we are very much fortunate to be a part of it. What a session, sir. Each and every class so energetic and so informative, with lots of content, content oriented, interactive oriented, and moreover, whenever we want to especially crack this net bit or any competitive exams, so the questions whatever he asks and the way he resolves the solutions and problems, it is so very fantastic, sir. This is really amazing. We are very very happy, and we need such kind of programs in future also, and we are very much excited to join further, sir. Thank you so much for this platform and opportunity, sir.
thank you. Please,
Gopal ji, sir,
please
thank you so
introduce,
much.
please introduce Triveni.
Sir, I am assistant professor from Mount Carmel College, Bangalore, Karnataka, sir.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Wish you all
Triveni.
the best.
Those who have continuously attended, they have enjoyed lecture. So almost 35 people have registered, but you know that in online mode, not all continue, or sometimes some have some internet problem. Any other participants wish to share his or her feedback? This time there are so many faculties they have enrolled. Any other participants may share?
Hello, sir. Respected all, sir.
Yes, Munmun Mandal.
Good evening. Myself, Munmun Mondol, from University of Kolani. I passed out MSc, and I learned very much from you, sir, Gopalji, sir, and it is very fantastic. And your doubt clearing is amazing, and all time you clears our doubt, and very complex things you explained very easily, and it is very much helpful for us. And and thank you once again. And I want to
Thank you, Munmu.
participate next time if you allow. Thank you, sir. Namaste.
Thank you, Munmun. Thank you. So now we have one more guest, Professor Praveen Verma, sir. He is Director R&D at JNU, Jawaharlal Nehru University. He also used to come always in our short invitation. Any other participant wish to share?
Hello.
Yes, Rishika, please continue.
Yes, good evening all. And I even found the session and the workshop very, very interesting and very helpful. Right now, I have passed my MSc from St. Xavier's College, Kolkata in microbiology in 2022. And I am also preparing for CSIR NET and other BET exam. And as I am going through the process and I'm actually preparing for it, this was a very, very helpful session for me, and I got a in-depth insight, and most importantly, we have learned in bits and pieces. We have never got a full information in protein or nucleic acid, every experiments related thing and research point of view. So that sir literally gave us, and all the other resource person who delivered their lectures were also helpful. So in summing up, like it was a very, very helpful session, and I want to like interact with sir further also, if certain workshops are held, or in some other way, if I want some help, I wish sir helps me out in that. So yeah,
Thank you,
thank you.
Rishika. Thank you very much. So, any other participants? So, if
Hello, sir.
yes, Sanika. I request
Hi.
our guest to please wait. And yes,
I'm an undergraduate student, third year student from Garware College, Pune. I'm studying biotechnology. And basically, when my professor actually recommended me this course, I was quite of bit in doubt, because we have already not studied, but we say introduced to genomics and proteomics. And when I looked through the course, it was the basics of everything. But then when I started with this course, I understood that you actually take us from the very basics to the very details, and actually included many tricky aspects of this topic, which is very helpful for my competitive exams, which I'm going to give now, like GAT-B and other these IIT JAM and as well. So the JAM is over, but now for GAT-B and all, it's very helpful. So I really appreciate you, sir, for taking us for giving such an informative session. And if there are other workshops as well, I'll definitely join, and will also recommend it to others, so that they can also get benefit from your workshop. Thanks a lot.
thank you. So, if there